So, hi sir, very good afternoon. How are you?
Very good afternoon, ma'am. Thank you so much. I'm doing good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great. So, thank you so much and connecting with me. So, could you introduce yourself first?
Why not? Why not? So, as far as my introduction is concerned, I'm Sunny Sharma. I'm connecting from Uttar Pradesh. And if I talk about my hobbies, are including reading books as well as solving Sudoku puzzles. And if I
Hmm.
talk about my qualifications, so I recently graduated from Swami Vivekanand Subharti University, that is located in Meerut, UP itself. And
Okay.
I'm a working professional in Indian Army. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Yeah, wonderful, sir. You actually like I have like deep, you can say, respect for soldier or Indian Army people, because my father was also served
10 years in Indian Air Force. So that's why. So shall I introduce myself?
Obviously, I love to hear from you a little more.
Okay. So as you know, my name is Soni Bist. Basically, I hail from Uttarakhand, but currently I live in Delhi. And if I talk about, I am working woman, and as well as if I share my education, so I have completed my Bachelor of Art from Delhi University, and right now I'm working in Ghaziabad. If I share my hobbies, so I love to nowadays I'm becoming bibliophile person because I love to reading books. Apart from this, I love to gardening, doing exercise, or dancing, singing, everything. Lots of hobbies I have. But nowadays I'm into like a reading parts, or I want to become a fluent speaker. That's why I recently started channel, name of Speak and Sign with Sony. So that's it from my side.
Thank you so much. So I have just only one question I can say popping up on my head. That is, how do you manage? Like you said that gardening, dancing, singing, and invariably I can say nowadays you are also into in reading. So how do you manage along with your work? How do you manage all of it?
Yeah, if I share, like earlier I was also not that person who managed all those things. I always like, frustrating like with my work, but later I get to know how to manage my work. So nowadays I very effortlessly I'm managing everything's like my gardening. I'm not giving like that much time, but yeah, I'm doing.
Okay, so do you have any schedule that in this particular time I will be gardening, in this particular time I will be reading, and so on like that? Do you have?
Yeah, definitely. Nowadays, I'm not like returning all those things like a schedule, but in my mind, everything is like written in the morning to evening, all the schedule. Being a mother, I
Mm,
have like give to time my kids also, so everything's written and everything I get to know how I can manage my time.
good to know that. Good to hear
Yes.
that. Okay, that's a great. I think being a mother and everything has been already written in your mind. At what time, what should I do? At what time, where should I go? That's a great, I can say.
Yes, sir. Actually, we have to learn these things, I think. Then only we can manage all those things. Otherwise, we can see the many people, many ladies, housewife, or they, all the time confusing between their work or something, how chore work, because they not maybe aware of that things, how they can manage their work. So we
Right.
have to learn these things, time
So,
management.
do you believe that making to-do list and following actually will it impact on our personality, on our day-to-day life or not?
Yes, definitely. I am agree with that point. People are oftenly say like you have to maintain to do list. Yeah, initially it's not like you can say like it's not possible. We have to written down all those work list, but in our mind before going to bed before night, we have to think about it that which work we have like important we have to do next day. We have to clarity that particular things, then only we have to
Prioritization,
take actions according to
prioritization,
that. Yeah,
prioritization of
initially we can
tasks.
write.
Right. That's a great. If somebody, what I personally believe, if somebody is making to-do list or a schedule of their day, then at least they are supposed to follow it. If not possible, then try to just either minimize or prioritize your task
Right,
according to, I
absolutely.
can say, level of difficulty and all.
Hmm.
To do that.
Okay. So, sir, I want to ask you like few questions which I jot down. So first, I want to like say you are like working. I know that how much you feel like difficulties while in your duties because you are army person. So being a army person, being like you have lots of responsibility or lots of work to do even though you are like working on your communication skills. So what things you motivate to learn this language? Because what I feel mostly the people what they think now I have to got the government job or a good job. I don't think I have to do put my lots of efforts. So how you do like these things?
Firstly, I can say, to be very honest, it is mandatory. I can say it was
Hmm.
compulsion to learn this language. Therefore, I started, right. And yes, you also said rightly that was absolutely right, because most of us, what we personally consider after getting into government organization, predominantly, we feel I have done everything. Everything has been already done. I should no longer work on my personality. I should no longer work on my fluency, communication, and so on. But yes, to some extent, I must say I'm not kind of person. Right. And right, your communication skill, your knowledge, as well as your personality, way of speaking, power of expression, everything you should have to have, right. So I have also been preparing for that for last, I guess, 2.5 years. And parallelly, I'm also working there. I know it is quite tough for me to manage. And yes, and second question, you said that most of us, what we personally consider after getting job, mainly in government organization, we don't want to work. We personally think that I have done everything. I should no longer work and
Right.
all. But I'm not kind of person. Thank you. That was my answer. You can say.
Okay, okay. That's great because you are working definitely getting government job. It's not like final things. We have to upgrade ourselves, work on, continuously work on ourselves. As I am also working, I am also working on my, personal things like my personality development, my communication skill, everything. So that is not like when we get something good, then we have to finish. We have to work on regularly. Okay, that's
Always,
great.
always, always we are supposed to, acquire something new. It can be either skill, learning any new things. Not, I mean, not only languages, but
Hmm.
it can be anything else. But try to work at least 30 minutes in a day on yourself.
Hmm.
Invest.
Yes. Yeah, absolutely right, sir. So my next question, should I ask?
Go ahead.
Yes. So why did you like choice to join army?
Why did I
If you are
choose?
comfortable.
Why did I choose, right?
Yeah.
I had an environment, such an environment, I can say, in my village when I was, I think, 15 and 16 years old. So in my village there were more than 10 soldiers. They used to work in an Indian army. So I
Okay.
got inspired from them. And most importantly, my elder brother, he used to also prepare for that, though he could
Okay.
not get it. He could not get it.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So I got inspired, you can say, and motivated from them, and I started, and successfully, by the grace of God, at the very first attempt, I get into this field.
Okay.
And SSCGT. But I had
Okay.
to choose this.
Oh, that's great. So you motivated from like your village people who already served to in Indian Army. Oh, that's great. I also like at the time I had also like tried to force any forces, but due to I have not like much height.
Height.
So
Yeah,
so that's
there is
why.
a certain height requirements for each and every forces,
Hmm.
whether it is paramilitary forces or armored forces. Wait.
Hmm. But
Uh,
I'm not also good at running. So
Running
that's
does
why.
not matter for
Okay.
female candidates. Running does not matter. I mean, it is matter, but not as much as matters of
Mm-hmm.
male
Fine. Okay,
male
okay.
person. Yes.
That's great. So my second question is before joining your life or then now, what was like you face challenges or
Before getting the job, right? You're
hmm,
talking
hmm,
about.
hmm, hmm.
Before getting a job, I can say it was quite tough. I mean, everything was okay. Everything was going okay. But the fact of the main concern was that
Hmm,
financial. I had not financial stability because my father, he was working somewhere in company.
hmm, hmm, hmm,
He was barely able to earn, I think, 10,000 and twelve
hmm.
thousand in a month.
Okay.
So that was, you can say, one of the sophisticated tasks for him to manage all those work, farming, everything. So yes, there was no financial stability in my life. But yes, after getting job, everything has been changed.
Okay.
Not only I am, but my elder brother, my father, everybody is earning except my mother and sister-in-law.
Okay, that's great. Because I also remember that when when my father like serving to Indian Air Force, so I was very little at the time, maybe probably like class three or fourth. So he retired early, very early, and later he has like dream to start their business. But after starting, he started after retired, he started his business, and then he faced he started especially in electronic gadget or something like business he
Mm.
started. But unfortunately he faced like loss in financially loss in his business. And later he diagnosed with the cancer, and he passed away in 2020. But I
2000.
still remember he like means he was like very you can say
Disciplined
hardworking
person.
or
Full of
yes,
discipline, full
right,
of
right.
routine person.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's happened mostly. And the most significant thing is that now after getting job, I can say when I was not working, I to be very honest, I did not have even keypad mobile. I'm talking about
Hmm.
the season of 2018, right?
Okay.
And back then I was about 18 years. I even did not have keypad mobile, but now I'm using iPhone. So this is difference between
Hmm.
that time and
Before
as a
job or
business.
yes, definitely. Okay. So actually, I was also like earlier what I means like before marriage, I was also thinking like I would be like get married with the army person, but I don't know why my father is not my father did not agree with marry with the army person, because maybe he knows that how much they face difficulties or sacrifices, something like that.
Concern is that now why most, for example, my father or else your father used to work
Hmm.
in the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force. So he has seen everything. I can say he has seen
Hmm.
every circumstances, condition of soldiers.
Hmm.
It can be one possible reason, right,
Right, right, right.
to
Absolutely.
deny.
Hmm. Okay. So now my question is very, you can say, every person is most often come across with this question. Maybe the people often think army people are very, you can say, serious person, strict person, and short tempered. So what about like your thinking?
Serious, yes. I think I mean, it's totally depend on time to time and situation condition. For example, if
Hmm.
I'm staying at my workplace with my colleagues, so I may be short tempered, right? I may be quite disciplined person. Whereas if I'm living with my family, right? If
Hmm.
I have got married, if I'm living with my children's kids,
Hmm.
so there my behavior would be entirely change. You
Same.
can say, right? So it's depend on condition and
Hmm.
situation. But yes, one should always be strict person and
Yes.
silent person
Hmm.
because silence speak louder than word. Okay,
Yes, yes.
so
Yeah,
follow that.
definitely. Being a daughter of army man, so I know that the army person is quite a serious person, or you can say disciplined person. So maybe I think I'm also like becoming day by day disciplined person. So yeah, it's a like choice to what kind of means you can say, like as you said, like with your family you are very jolly person, maybe you happy, or you didn't feel like a stickness or something like that. But in your some cases, when you with your friends or with someone, you have to be maintain seriousness or be disciplined
Right, right. Because you
Yes.
know what happen if you are frequently speaking unnecessarily. So it
Hmm.
can be burdenful for
Yes.
third person, right?
Hmm.
It might also derail your, I can say, reputation
Hmm.
and
Right.
drain your reputation front of them. So it is better for you to speak, but speak where it
Hmm.
needed.
Yes, yes, definitely. Yeah, I also seen that many people who always, talking or always joking or something here and there. So they not get that much respect from others as they, who people speak very wisely.
People will
So it
wait
is
for
very,
your voice. People will wait. Okay.
yes.
So
Hmm.
speak where it needed,
Hmm.
matter most,
Right.
not unnecessarily.
Hmm.
That is
Okay.
that voice.
So my question finished. You, if you have any question, you can ask me
Yes,
anything.
one question I wanted to ask, and which I'm going to ask now,
Mm-hmm.
that was associated or related to your reading, right? So, which sort of book do you read? Because there are several types of book, right?
Mm-hmm.
Self-help, human psychology, motivation, and you can say related language learning, and so on. So, which one do you prefer?
Yeah, I mostly prefer to read because I recently, into reading parts. Before that, I'm not reading parts, but now I get to know how much reading play a important role in our journey. So I mostly read the books which related to sometime like I like to story books, and apart from this I love to which give me like a different kind of mindset or personality changing. You mean to say like I love to reading that kind of book who give me something in change, so that I could change my personality or
All
overall
right. So
thinking.
there is another question. For example, we are reading now. We are reading books, okay, and it can be related financial, it can be related self help, and so on,
Mm-hmm.
right? So we have come across many wonderful lines or paragraph. So how are we, and how do you inculcate in your day to day life? So do you follow or not? Whatever you are getting from book, do you follow? Do you try to inculcate in your life or not?
Yes, yes. While reading, I get many things. Nowadays, I'm reading the book. Focus on what you want, which matters. So whenever I come across that kind of point or line which give me like first I try to make a understand what they want to say or what is their benefit. So I adopt to in my personality. Suppose that if I have to somebody criticize me, so how I can make the boundaries, or how I can come this particular situation. So that kind of thinking power books give me, so which I how I ignore that particular situation.
Right, right.
Yes.
Because I can say, and I must say here, reading books have been entirely, you can say, changed my life.
Hmm.
Yes, I have learned several things from book about personality, finance, how to
Hmm.
manage everything, I can say, about human psychology.
Yes. Yeah, definitely. Not only we can get like a good vocabulary or sentence structure, we get out of the, like we can say, out of the box, so many things, knowledge.
Vocab in the process you can
Hmm.
automatically optimize,
Yes.
like from
Yes.
watching and reading newspaper.
Hmm.
But we are supposed to read for acquiring something from book, from newspaper,
Hmm.
from anything.
Yes. Yes. Definitely.
So now I do not have any question. Okay, because I
Okay.
I I
I
did
have.
not, I did not have a right.
Okay. Okay. So you must be in your hometown.
Yes, I'm at at my home on roof right now.
Okay.
Upstairs you can.
Okay.
Mm.
That's great.
And
So I
I
think
wanted
we
to
have.
go somewhere. Okay, now I'll go there.
Okay. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. So I think we have like wrap up this session. We will, if you feel free, then we will connect again.
Yes,
So
but
thank you
I
so
will
much for
certainly.
connecting with me.
Thank you.
again.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. I will let you know certainly, but before 17 only.
Okay. Because of your leave.
Not yes, because of leave, and I'm about to attend my interview that will be happened on 21st August in this month.
Okay.
So I have to focus more on that.
Okay. Okay. So
Mm.
best of luck for your interview.
Thank you so much. Let's see also.
Yes. Yes. Don't take a much burden. So you interviews.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
So
then.
thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so
Thank
much.
you.
Yeah. Again.